Well, there are many methods. You have to identify 10 methods, 10 separate, disconnected methods of how to procure that what you need. It is not only uni-channel. It is multiple channels. If you want food in your house, there was a time when you have to go physically to a restaurant, make a payment through cash note, cash currency, money note. But now many methods of procuring food while you are in the house. Maybe a delivery boy will deliver it from the restaurant. You can make payment through digital wallets and digital methods and other methods of making payments. The currency, you do not need a cash currency withdrawal anymore. So you have discovered multiple methods of transaction in a relationship with people in your house, with your children, with your uncles, family, etc. You need to communicate multiple methods of communication, like multiple various different separate transactions for the same thing to achieve. If you want to go as a family to a picnic, it needs multiple types of communication to persuade the people why they should align with your thought, why they should blend with that what you want to do with them. So you got to be persuasive. For that, you got to be having multiple methods of communication, multiple methods of cooperation, integrating their desires, their wishes into your plan of going to the picnic, and good conversations. Only then, with good communication, with good conversation, many methods of transaction, can you have a collaboration. The objective is for the family to stay together, all your relatives to stay together, move together, work together, and prosper together. For that, you got to be a great collaborator. To be collaborator, you got to learn the art of good conversation. And then with children, you must be communicating with them multiple methods. You got to educate them many different separate methods. Just like you procure food in the house, conventionally you would make your food, or you would go to a restaurant, you would pay through money, cash. But today there's so many more than 50 methods to satisfy your hunger simply in the house, by procuring food by delivery boy, many types of food that what you want to do. So research into how to do cooperation, how to do communication, how to be persuasive, and how to get the family integrated with your thoughts and your wishes, so that you can have a functionality that we must go to picnic. In which vehicle to go, what time to go, which spot of picnic. These are things that variable, and there are many variables. There are, but that you must go to a picnic is non-negotiable. So in this context, you must educate people the prominence of it, and little details that are separating you, that are different that are separating you and causing differences among you. You must be able to abort that, erase that, and focus. All of you must be on the same alignment, blending. To the diverse ideas will come. So picnicking, maybe this week you can get very specific, accurate. This week we can go to picnic. Yes, it is diversities, it is varieties in many levels, in many ages, in many generations. How do you come aligned? So for that, you got to have conversation, healthy conversation, and therefore you have to collaborate. So be functional, do not be dysfunctional, and focus on the functionality, and learn to collaborate, learn to be persuasive. Enjoy. For this, you got to do meditation. Everybody in the family has to align to do meditation, wisdom of the mind, and breathing techniques to ease your emotional turbulence. So enjoy the wisdom of the mind, do meditation.